Have you ever found yourself needing to check the last character of a string in a POSIX shell, only to feel lost in a sea of bashisms? It can be confusing, right? If that's you, stick around because today we're diving into how to check the last character of a string without relying on those bash-specific tricks. I totally get it. Many users have expressed frustration over the reliance on bashisms for simple tasks. You're not alone in feeling that these hacks can be a bit clunky and unreliable. This is a common concern among shell users. Here's the specific question we're addressing today. One user asked, is there a built-in POSIX equivalent for checking the last character of a string? They mentioned seeing various methods that feel like hacks. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So what exactly is the issue here? In Bash, you can easily access the last character of a string using a simple syntax. However, POSIX shells don't support this feature directly, leading to the need for workarounds. We'll break down these alternatives step by step. And don't go anywhere. At the end of this video, I have a neat trick that will make string manipulation in POSIX shells much easier. Trust me, you won't want to miss it. To check the last character of a string in a POSIX-compliant way, the user can utilize the echo command combined with tail. This method is straightforward and avoids any bash-specific syntax. Alternatively, the user can use grep to extract the last character. This method is also POSIX compliant and can be useful in different scenarios. Both methods effectively retrieve the last character of the string. The user can choose either based on their preference or specific use case. Finally, the user should test their chosen method to ensure it works as expected. They can do this by running the command in the terminal and checking the output. Fun fact. Did you know that the first programming languages were created in the 1950s? They were much simpler than what we have today, but they laid the groundwork for all the complex scripting we do now. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative approach suggested by a user is to use the case statement to check the last character of a string. This method is portable and allows you to act based on the value of the last character. Let's take a moment to review another user's answer. An alternative solution provided by a user involves using the WC command to count the characters in the string. They subtract one from this count to get the position of the last character. Then, they use the cut command to extract that character from the string. Here's the neat trick I promised. When working with strings in POSIX shells, consider using functions or scripts that can handle string manipulation more elegantly. This can save you time and reduce reliance on hacks. And there you have it. You've learned how to check the last character of a string in a POSIX shell without relying on bashisms. Remember, exploring different methods can enhance your scripting skills. If you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button for more tips, and don't miss our next video where we tackle more shell scripting challenges.